and delicious to eat. Guys, how was your Thanksgiving? Let me know in the comments below. I spent it with my family here. Very chilled day, eating, enjoying each other's company. Today I have a super easy recipe for you. We're gonna make creamed corn casserole. Cheesy, crunchy, some bacon on top, because you guys know everything with bacon tastes delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Now let's get started. And I just want to say, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like the one that you guys are going to see today. Super easy and delicious to make and to eat. So I'm Emely. I'm going to leave you guys with the recipe, and I'm going to see you guys next time. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this is a 1 can of sweet kettle corn whole. I drained the water that it comes with, and I just added 4 cloves of garlic. What we're going to do is put in the food processor, and then we will continue with our recipe. Okay guys, as you can see, this is how our corn looks like now. Okay guys, so to make this delicious creamed corn, baked creamed corn, we're gonna need another can of corn. So in total we have 2 cans of 15 ounces of corn drained. I have here red onions chopped, a little bit of red onion chopped, a little mix of red and yellow bell peppers chopped finely. I have 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, ½ tablespoon of paprika powder. I have here 2 tablespoons of garden cream cheese, which is a vegetable style one. You can use the original one if you want. And I have here 3 tablespoons of instant corn flour. I'm just saying the same one that you use to make tortillas or pupusas. I have here half and half. I'm gonna need mozzarella cheese right here, and bacon as well. Now let's get started. And salt and pepper to taste, of course. Guys, I already added about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. I added my butter, my onions, and my pepper. So all I want to do is cook this for a couple minutes until the vegetables are nice. Now we're adding 3 minutes has passed. Now we're adding our half and half. Paprika, salt and pepper to taste. And let it cook for a couple of minutes. And you can taste it to see if it's good for your seasoning. Now we're adding our cream cheese, vegetable cream cheese. Lower the heat. Cream cheese. We're gonna add our Parmesan cheese. Smells so good, people. So good. Now we're gonna add our corn mixture. Gonna mix very good. Now we're gonna add our corn flour. So what the corn flour is doing is putting this, as you can see, thick. It's like a thickener, and just binding everything together so we can make our casserole. And that's it. Guys, that is it. All we're gonna do is cook this in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. All I did was add a little bacon bits on the top, so you know, can never go wrong with bacon, right? And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Now I'm gonna cut it through so you guys can see.